A very good morning to you, dear children. In today's video, I am going to give you an introduction to Lesson 6, The Stone Soup. This is a story about how a hen feels when a big bad wolf comes to eat her up. It tells us how she felt and what she did to save her life. So, in this video, I will tell you about some simple emotions and feelings. What are feelings and emotions? Feelings and emotions arise in our mind because of what we see, hear, remember, and do. We can show our feelings and emotions through our facial expressions or body movements. Some simple feelings and emotions are happiness, sadness, anger, fear, jealousy, and surprise. Sometimes the feelings and emotions are good and sometimes they are bad. When you face a certain situation, how you feel in your mind and what expressions come on your face and what actions you do, that shows various feelings and emotions. Now let us look at this. Here I have shown you some simple feelings and emotions. Look at the first picture, number 1. Here all the children are happy. So, happiness is a good feeling. Look at the second picture. Here the children are crying. They are sad. Something sad has happened to them. Look at picture number 3. This boy looks very, very angry. What is the emotion displayed here? Yes, it is anger. When something good does not happen to you, you feel very, very angry. Look at picture number 4. Here the children are running away because they have seen something which has made them feel afraid. So the emotion shown here, the feeling shown here is that of fear. If suddenly a lion comes in front of you, how do you feel? You feel afraid, you feel fearful. Look at picture number 5. One child has a gift in her hand and the other does not have a gift. Here he is feeling very jealous. Jealousy is when someone has something and you don't have it. You feel jealous. Look at picture number 6. The girl is very, very surprised because something has happened which she did not expect. Suddenly, if mommy gives you a gift without any reason, how do you feel? You feel surprised. Now, children, when we face certain situations in our life, we must always use our presence of mind. When we face difficult times, we should learn to use our presence of mind. And what is presence of mind? Presence of mind means to stay calm in difficult situations and to act in a clever way. Now we will discuss some situations that you might come across in your life. What do you do when you get hurt? Do you just sit and cry and not call anyone? No. You run to your parents or elders for help. This means that you have used your presence of mind to get out of a difficult situation. What does daddy or mummy do when driving a car? Do they look here and there and backwards and forwards all the time without paying attention on the road? No, they pay full attention and keep looking on the road so that accidents do not happen. They again use their presence of mind. What do we do when a thief breaks into our house? Do we just sit and cry or start shouting? No, we call the police to catch the thief. So we have to remain calm and use our presence of mind to get out of difficult situations. Okay, children, in this lesson, the stone soup, the hen makes a different kind of soup to save her life. Yes, to save her life, she uses a presence of mind and makes a different kind of soup. We will discuss what type of soup she makes. But before that, let us discuss some simple names of soups: tomato soup, corn soup, vegetable soup, Mexican soup, hot and sour soup, manchow soup, potato soup, carrot soup, noodle soup, cauliflower soup. Now tell me, children, your mouths must be watering. Which is your favorite soup? Have you ever seen your mama make some soup at home? Which is your favorite one? Okay, children, in this story, the hen makes a stone soup. Have you ever tasted a stone soup? No, I don't think anyone would ever have a stone soup. What are pebbles? In this story, we will learn that the hen used pebbles in her soup to save her life. What are pebbles? Pebbles are small stones made smooth and round by the action of water or sand. Here you can see two pictures of lovely pebbles. They are nice and round in shape and they come in different sizes and colors. Spices. The hen added spices to her soup. What are spices? Spices are things we get from plants, which are added to food to make it tasty and yummy, like chili powder, cloves, cardamoms, and many, many more spices. Here you can see that I have shown you the picture of some spices. You can ask your mama to show you the spices which are stored in the house and try to learn their names. The hen also added grains to her soup. And what are grains? Grains are seeds from crops. Crops are plants like wheat, rice, corn, and many, many more. In your daily life, you must be eating many grains which are cooked by your mother or anyone else at home. Tell your mother to show you different types of grains which are stored in the house and try to learn their names. The hen also put many vegetables in the soup. What are vegetables? Vegetables are part of plants that are used as food, like cabbage, potato, tomato, and many more. Here in this picture, there are so many vegetables. Vegetables are very healthy. You can see which vegetables are stored in your house and try to learn their names. So, dear children, today's lesson was only an introduction to the lesson which we will learn in our next video. What is your prep work? Yes, watch this lesson video one more time. Ask your mother to show you the different spices, grains, and vegetables stored in your home and learn their names. Complete the worksheets given in the ERP. Do not submit the same. I will upload the worksheets in the classroom section. The answer keys will be provided in the classroom section in ERP. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you and have a good day.